Hey everyone, welcome. Today I'll guide you through checking your Roblox billing details. It's quick and straightforward, so let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your device, whether it's an iPhone, Android, or computer. Tap on More located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, scroll down until you find and tap on Settings. Within Settings, locate and tap on Account Info at the top. Scroll down to Account Location and ensure that your country or region is correctly set. This should match where you currently reside. Now navigate back and tap on Payment Methods. Here, you'll see any payment methods associated with your account. If you have saved billing information like credit cards, debit cards, PayPal, or any other method, it will be displayed here. You can view details such as the account number, associated address, and the type of payment method. If there's no payment method currently saved, it will indicate that as well. That's it. Checking your Roblox billing information is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.